PayPal is a widely used online payment platform that allows users to make transactions securely over the internet. It was founded in 1998 and has since become a popular method for online purchases, money transfers, and business transactions. Key features of PayPal include account types. PayPal offers personal and business accounts. Personal accounts are for individuals, while business accounts are designed for businesses to accept payments under a company name. Payment methods. Users can link their PayPal accounts to credit cards, debit cards, or bank accounts. This allows for flexibility in funding transactions. Security. PayPal is known for its secure transactions. It uses encryption technology to protect users' financial information, and users can enable two-factor authentication for added security. International transactions. PayPal supports transactions in various currencies, making it convenient for users worldwide. However, fees may apply for currency conversion. Buyer and seller protection. PayPal provides protection programs for both buyers and sellers, reducing the risk of fraud and disputes. Mobile app. PayPal offers a mobile app for convenient access to account information, transaction history, and the ability to make payments on the go. Integration. Many online merchants and platforms accept PayPal as a payment method, making it a versatile option for online transactions. Venmo. Owned by PayPal, Venmo is a mobile payment service that allows users to make payments and split bills easily. It's important to note that, while PayPal is widely used and trusted, users should be aware of the associated fees and carefully review the terms and conditions. Additionally, specific features and policies may evolve over time, so it's advisable to check the official PayPal website for the most up-to-date information.